Most people think sun protection comes only from a bottle. Ancient wisdom knew differently. Long before there was sunscreen, cultures living under the most intense sun on earth protected their skin with three things that cost almost nothing. Number 1, eat your sun protection. Tomatoes, watermelon, red peppers. These foods are rich in lycopene, one of the most powerful natural compounds for protecting your skin from UV damage at a cellular level. Your diet literally builds your skin's defense from within. Number 2, vitamin C and E every single day. Citrus fruits, berries, almonds. These antioxidants neutralize the damage UV radiation creates inside your skin cells. Ancient healers did not know the science, but they knew that people who ate this way aged more slowly and healed more completely. Number 3, respect the midday sun. Every ancient culture that lived under intense heat, Indian, Middle Eastern, Mediterranean, avoided direct sun exposure between 11 in the morning and 3 in the afternoon. They covered themselves with natural fabric. They rested in the shade. They did not fight the sun, my friends. They worked with it. Follow for more. I will see you tomorrow.